Alright, hello everyone, my name is Imran. This is our COE446 project at KFUPM. As you can see, it's an RC car. What we did was we hacked an Arduino onto it and hooked it up to the driver that was on the car. And we have a ZigBee that's communicating with our computer, and we can control it remotely. So let's just go over the components here. This is the original controller of the car. We removed the RX2B chip that was on it and soldered these two wires that control forward and backward. We had for left and right as well, but we accidentally burned the driver for going left and right, so we had to use another driver for it. This is the L298N. So this driver controls the front wheels and this one controls the back wheels. Over here we have the Arduino Mega 2560. On top of it is a ZigBee shield. We're using the ZigBee Pro S28 or S2B. And here's the antenna. So basically how this works is we send characters to the ZigBee from the base station. So depending on the character, it'll execute a command or a function. So if we send a small f character over the air, it'll start going forward, and when you let go of the key, it'll send a small f, the big F, and it will stop. So for every function of the car, we have that set up. Alright, so now let's go to the screen where we can see the interface for the user. So we wrote a C# program for this. What we do is to connect to the ZigBee, we click updates, and right now it's connected. So we can bring the car over and see it together. So if we press forward, it'll go forward, backward, right, and left. We also have some LEDs on the front for headlights, so we can control them from here as well. They're pretty bright. And we have a beeper, which we're using as a horn. So the user interface is pretty minimal, but we can improve it with C#. Yeah, that's the end of our demo. Thanks for listening.